All right, welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of coffee culture, specifically how to navigate the unique lingo at Starbucks. You know, it's funny when I first walked into a Starbucks abroad, I was completely baffled by the sizes. I mean, who decided that tall means small? It's like calling a giraffe a shorty, right? So, let's get into it.
Wait, so you're saying tall is actually the small size? That's so confusing. I mean, what if I just want a small coffee? Do I have to say tall every time? Sigh.
Exactly. It's a bit of a mind game, isn't it? So, when you walk in and they ask, "What size would you like?" You've got to be ready. The small cup is called short, which is just a whole other layer of confusion. It's like they're playing a linguistic trick on us.
So if I wanted a medium, I'd have to say tall? That's wild. I can just imagine someone walking in and saying, "I'll have a small," and the barista just staring at them like they've just spoken in ancient Greek or something. Laughs.
Right? And then you have the grande, which is the large. It's Italian, and it's like they're trying to make us feel fancy while we're just trying to get our caffeine fix. And don't even get me started on venti, which is the extra large. It's like, can I just get a big cup of coffee without feeling like I'm ordering a fancy meal?
Haha, I love that. So if I walk in and say, "Can I get a grande frappuccino?" I'm good to go. But what if I want to add something like whipped cream or extra sugar? Sigh.
Great question. They'll usually ask if you want any extras, and that's where you can get creative. You could say, "Can I get a tall iced latte with almond milk and extra caramel, please?" It's all about building that confidence.
Wow, that sounds so much more complicated than just saying medium or large. I mean, what if I just want a regular cup of coffee? Do I have to go through this whole process every time? Laughs.
Well, it can feel overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Think of it like learning a new language. At first, you're stumbling over words, but eventually, you're ordering like a pro.
I can see that. It's like when I first tried to learn Spanish and I kept mixing up grande and pequeño. I ended up asking for a big small burrito. Laughs.
Exactly. And that's the beauty of it. You learn through those little mishaps. So, remember, for beginners, using single words is suitable, but as you build your confidence, you can start using full sentences.
So, if I wanted to order a grande frappuccino, I'd just say, "Can I get a grande frappuccino?" And I'm all set. Sigh.
You got it! And don't forget, they might ask if you want any extras, like milk or sugar. But hey, I've got to run to a live stream soon, so we'll dive deeper into that later.
Oh, I can't wait. This is so much fun. I'll definitely join you for more coffee English lessons later. Let's go. Laughs.
Absolutely! Thanks for tuning in, everyone! Remember, the next time you step into a Starbucks, you'll be armed with the knowledge to order like a pro.
Yes, I'm ready to conquer the coffee world. Sigh, let's do this.